is up, everybody? This is James with BnG Junk Removal. Today, man, we got another little small job for y'all in Frisco, Texas, man. A couple cardboard boxes and then actually a commercial freezer is what the guy was saying. It's, he sent me a picture of it. It's a pretty big freezer. So we're about 12 minutes away from the job. We're gonna go ahead and get there and get it done, and see what other jobs we have for today. I know it's probably gonna be pretty slow. It's New Year's Eve today, so I mean, all these holidays, man, it's slowing us down, and we're not getting much work from it. So that's okay. We're still pushing through it. So we're gonna get to this job, and I'll see y'all when we're there. How you doing, man?
Good.
James, brother.
Brandon.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yes, sir.
Saw some shit.
Nice to meet you, man.
Jacob, nice
James.
to meet you.
So yeah, I got a lot of boxes in there right now, but I was thinking maybe we can take that and smush it all down.
I'm for that.
Okay.
We could move some stuff out of the way. Just like I said, it's on casters, so
okay,
we could just take it over there and hammer right on top.
Okay.
If we need to.
Okay, so all of this right here is going.
Yep. Basically.
And then a few of those boxes, I'm guessing.
Maybe these boxes, but.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, it shouldn't take us too long.
Okay. I know that'll work.
I'll get this stripped out.
It's a pretty big. Yeah, if you want to. This is a big storage place. Stuff's big storage.
Say that again?
I said this is a big storage.
Yeah, this is kind of our HQ. So
okay.
We got a little office up
oh,
top.
snap.
It's got a kitchen and shower. And
that's nice. What do you do? What do you do for work, if you don't mind me asking?
we're in the cigar business.
You said what? I'm sorry.
We're in the cigar business.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. That is very dope.
That probably is trash, but let's just double check it.
I'll keep throwing it in the front.
Oh, we did. Okay. Yeah.
I think that freezer, that's a big freezer.
It's a big one. Right?
Yeah. You know, when I first started on my website, I had, which I still actually have them for. I have like fridges and freezers for $45. Like I'll go pick up a fridge for $45. And so I had a person just like that had pretty much like a big one like that, and they said, this is a freezer, so you still come pick it up for $45. And I'm like, not that big.
I mean, this thing, it needs a new coil on the back, but if somebody grabbed it, knew what they were doing with it,
Yeah.
it's easily $1,000.
Well, I didn't even see that it had wheels on it, so that thing, it'll be easy. We can just slide up there, and then let me take off these boards. It's getting stuck. Whoa. Thanks, sir. Appreciate that. Okay. And then all this too, right? Or
Yeah, I think so. Let me throw some eyes on it quick. Yes.
that looks like
yes,
cash.
Yes.
Okay.
And yes, for those boxes.
Okay. anything, what I'll do is I'll stick these back here.
Perfect.
Yeah, just so.
Yeah, for what it's worth, this box has a dickload of brand new casters in it.
Oh, okay.
So if there's anything you need casters for, there's
Oh, nice.
a ton in there.
Nice. Okay. Last box. Come on, there you go.
Do it.
Did y'all have a good Christmas?
What's that?
Did y'all have a good Christmas?
Good Christmas, man. How was yours?
It was pretty good. Can't complain.
Oh, you know what? We've got some extra boxes back there too.
Okay, all these right here.
I tried to move that.
Man, all I've been doing all week since Christmas is just cardboard boxes. That's all
Gotta be.
That's all I've been doing. It's been pretty slow.
The hell is that?
Air pump. Intelligent electrical air pump.
Hold on to it.
Are you gonna? Yeah, I'd throw it in the.
Towards the front?
Yeah, if you want me to, I'll throw it
Sure.
in. I'll throw it in the front up here. Hold down all this cardboard and stuff. We
I
can.
don't know if we want to just deadlift this up to there and then push and go. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's going.
Okay. Reset. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're in.
Perfect. It's not going anywhere. Perfect, guys.
So Toyota, for this guy, Toyota made that custom for the fat. Oh, one of one.
Wow.
Look how fucking cool that is.
Yeah, it's okay.
Has he been using that one or this one? He hasn't.
Packing
So
here.
we're gonna have him start doing it on here. Can I Venmo you?
That's fine.
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
Yeah, no, that works. Man.
All clear?
Yes, sir. I
Thank
appreciate you,
you.
man. Yes, sir.
Have a great day.
Of course, man. Thank you. If y'all ever need anything, man, just give me a call.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Have a happy New Year.
You too, man. Just like that, guys. Job is completed. We got a freezer, a couple cardboard boxes, man. Job is done. Okay. We were here for maybe 15 minutes. Job completed. And that costed $225. Quick, easy job. In and out, 5-10 minutes. Wow, dude. Wow, look at those rims, bro. Wow. Yeah, this is a spot to be. Look at the cars. Wow. They got little apartments up there too, he was telling me about. That's pretty cool, man. I like that a lot. But yeah, guys, first job completed for the day. I'm probably gonna take some of this stuff to the dump. This freezer right here, actually, I'm gonna go drop it off and give this actually to my the scrap guy. I'm gonna let him deal with that. Guys, we are here at the landfill, the dump. first thing that's going off is this mattress. I kind of want this, but not. We'll throw it. Just like that. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this trailer unloaded. I'm gonna get this trailer unloaded, and we'll catch y'all back at the shop whenever I unload it. Got the trailer cleared. All the trash is in here. Trailer's looking good. Alrighty, guys. Okay, so we're here at the yard. Trailer is gonna get dropped, and guess what, everybody? Bam! Trailer is empty. I'm ready for tomorrow because I don't know. I have a feeling that tomorrow on New Year's, everybody's gonna, you know, oh, we want to clean out everything. So this was the freezer that we picked up earlier, guys. Look at this, man. Huge, huge, huge freezer. He did say it does not work anymore. He said it was cutting in and out, and oh, wow, that stinks. We got the scrap guy. He said he's going to be here on Thursday to pick up all this scrap metal. That's going to the farm, like I've told y'all. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. I took that mattress earlier when I went to the dump. That'll be the end of the video. I want to appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch y'all in the next video.